All right, back out here, guys. That's kind of looking like the lineup we just had. It's crazy. All right, so now I'm gonna just pretty much break this thing down. Can't wait to get this thing painted and looking like something totally different, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, now that we got our rear fender off, everything else is pretty much, give and go. We're gonna put the back end back together, take these side covers off, take the gas tank off after the giveaway. And then we're probably I wanna take this interferent off, but I don't wanna freaking misplace nothing. Even though I'm pretty confident on putting stuff where it back need to go, I just don't really wanna do that. So I'm gonna probably get another interferent anyway. And then meanwhile, we got another outer fairing up there, or we could use this one. We don't got to get another outer fairing there, so that's dope. Front fender is coming off. We'll be getting that thing painted too, so can't wait, man. This thing is gonna look pretty good. I was kind of like skeptical. I don't know if y'all see me looking at it, staring at it in the video, man. I was like, I could keep it simple. Like, I really could just add my little taste to it, but it's like, I really want to see what I envision, man. That's my whole plan. I got a whole color scheme for this bike that I envisioned like a couple weeks ago, and I just been waiting for another Road Glide to do it, man. So this is finally the one we're going to do it on, and then I'm hoping everything turns out, all the wheels and everything that we're going to go with this bike is looking really good. Meanwhile, our 2014 Road King did just get picked up, so I'm excited about that. We'll be getting some content with that coming this week as well. But let's keep going and see what else we can get real quick, man. Just like that, she pretty much all taken apart. And this is like a couple of screws and then literally the front fender. I'm gonna wait to take that off after the giveaway so you guys can at least see the front half of it during the giveaway. But so far so good, man. It is looking nice. Can't wait, man. What color y'all think I'm gonna go with, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. But it's time to clean up, man. Get this thing parked. And then we can take this stuff apart. Literally, you got to take the fender apart and the bags apart. We'll take that apart later, but at least everything is off the bike and ready to go. Alrighty, guys, later on in the day here, man, we found out where our bikes are going. Our 2021 is headed to North Carolina. Our 2014 is headed to Northern California. So I can't wait. Congratulations to the winners, man. If you guys missed out on this one, it's never the end of the road, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now. I'll get you a maroon and white Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered in to win my 2020 Road Glide special, man. Or hit the link below. It'll take you right where you need to go. Meanwhile, we got a few parts we need to detach and stuff before we hop on this freeway early morning and hit the city, man. So let's finish it off real quick. Alrighty, guys, now that we got our motorcycle pieces broken down, our bags and Our rear fender is broken down. Our gas tank is ready to go. Side covers. This actually goes in yonder like that. But it's time to get this outer fairing off. We should be good. I mean, Antonio should be able to fix that. We should be all right. Got another outer fairing up there, but this one should be good to go. So we're gonna snatch the fairing off and this fender, and then we pretty much done. Alrighty guys, man, it's like freaking 4:45 in the morning. We've been out here since about maybe like 3:30ish, but everything is ready to go, man. We about to load up the truck, hit the road. I can't wait dropping these things off at Antonio. This thing's gonna look totally different, so you guys already see what's going on, man. I appreciate your support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I wanna thank everybody out there for tuning in today. What did you guys think about the 2020 Road Glide special, man? We already got that thing buzzed down. It's time to head to Antonio and get that thing painted. Meanwhile, our 2021 Road Glide special and our 2014 are out of here, man. This one is heading to North Carolina. That one is headed to Hayward, California, man. I can't wait to get these things out of here and get them delivered. So them things should be coming here any day now. Meanwhile, like I said, we got our paint set off our 2020, man. It's time to take that thing in, get that thing customized. Meanwhile, we got to put it on order for the wheels, man. Hopefully them things will be done next week. So about time we get the paint back, we should be getting the wheels back. And then I got another 2014 Road King on the way right now. It should be here tomorrow. So I can't wait for that, man. This thing is gonna look good. If you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys missed the giveaway for these 2 minutes, never the end of the road, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are giving away our 2020 Road Glide special with the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on it, man. I can't wait to see how this thing comes out, man, and I know you can't either. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we about to load the truck up and get on up out of here, dog. I'll catch you guys on the next one, though, dog. Peace.